Hello! Welcome to my kitchen, and it's me again, Sheila Lemon. So today we're going to cook, I called it crab patty. So, ano ba yung crab oys? Kasi sa amin kasag in Ilonggo, Alimango, or no, it's a crabs. It's a crabs, so that all of you can understand. So, it's a crabs. I don't know what is that in Tagalog, or basta in Visaya, Alimango, or in the Ilonggo is kasag. So I'm going to cook crab patty, but this crab patty it came from our leftover crabs na hindi namin naubos. So if you have a leftover crabs, you could make a crab patty so that you don't waste it, right? So before we gonna start, I'm going to show it to you the ingredients that we're going to use, and gonna show it to you how the procedure that we're going to do. So this is the crab that the carryover crabs that we have, that we bought this at Sam's. So this is expensive one, so I don't want gonna waste it. I don't want gonna throw it away. So what I do is I'm gonna take off all the meat inside the crabs, inside the shell, and then I already have here a meat crab, even though it's a little, but I don't want gonna waste it. So I'm gonna make this crab patty. So ayan, eto lang siya kadami kasi konti na lang yung natira. So even though a little, but it's parang masayang. So medyo madami na rin siya, but I'm gonna add more ingredient for this. So this is the crab shell. So we're going to add a garlic. And then we're going to add the onion dice and onion leaves. And then, eto na siya. And we could add a drop of, like a half teaspoon of sesame oil. And then we're gonna add salt, pepper, garlic. And I'm gonna add like a teaspoon of tamari soy sauce. And of course, we're going to add 1 egg. And then mix it. A 2 tablespoons of flour. Ito na, mainit na yung pan ko. You're gonna put oil. There you go, a little of oil. Sorry, naubusan na ako ng coconut oil, but so I don't have a choice. So I need to use a vegetable oil. And ito yung kaninang na-mix ko. Yung crab with the onions and everything. And then, painitin ko lang konti yun. Ayan. The oil, it's already hot. So we could put our crab mixture, and we're gonna form into I want to make it big, patty, or we call it crab burgers. Ayan. Ayan guys, para wala kayong may sayang na mga pagkain, you could make a patty, either a fish patty or a crab patty. or whatever that you have left over that you could still make another dish. Ano lang yan guys, discarding sa buhay. Ayan. Huwag sayangin, especially. Tada! So there you go, our crab patty. So what we're gonna do? Let's try. And I put a side sauce or a ketchup on the side. And we're going to try what it tastes like. Sarap. Sarap kaya. I like it. Sarap. Try nyo guys. Try nyo talaga. May mga, parang hindi kayo, wala kayo may masayang na pagkain. Sarap. Okay. So, it's not very easy. Kapag may mga tira-tira kayong mga seafoods, you could gather it and put some stuff and you could make a patty. Tastes so good. So guys, if you like the way I make leftover crabs, please like and comment to the comment section. And thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.